today. One of the things that you, as an experienced trader or as a novice trader, will have to contend with in your trading journey is the big question. Are the robots taking over? Well, let's look at specifically Forex trading, for example. So, consulting firms have done studies and projections have come out that electronic trading, or bot trading as they are known, will take over or will account for 81% of spot trading, dealing, buying and selling of currencies in the Forex market by 2018. Now that's really close by. Compare it to 5 years ago. There was only 20% being traded electronically. That is scary as a figure in itself. So ask yourself the question, what are you and I doing here, hoping to turn ourselves into traders? Well, let's examine what's happening around the world and then we'll answer this question towards the end. All right? So, one, previously what used to happen was that all of these robotics or electronic dealing, the algorithms that was posted in was akin to something like they were egg timers, you know? So you put in a trade and then you have to switch it on and off manually. However, over time, algorithms have become smarter. Aggregators have come in when it comes to Forex trading as well. You've got spy software that looks into what the big banks, investment firms, things like that are doing, and therefore copy marketing, copy trading and things like that. So now we're dealing with slicker algorithms, smarter automation, and basically it's moving towards being electronic. What's number two? Well, consider the market regulators, all right? They are making trading as a whole for banks more expensive. So they are levying a lot of expenses on banks, making it harder for investment banks to carry out certain transactions, thereby deliberately forcing a move towards electronic trading because they're shortening or crimping revenue for investment banks, commercial banks when they execute Forex trading. So the second reason here is crimping revenue. The third reason again ties into regulators. They want more transparency. How can you get more transparency? By moving everything electronic. Okay, so again, they're imposing on banks to push trading to electronic means so that they can have their data and things are a lot more transparent and clear and things can be tracked. So, if you look at strategies of investment banks, investment firms, etc., let's take the example of Barclays Bank. Now, this is a world or an international bank, and they have 70% of their trading happening through electronic means. That says a lot. If you look at it a decade ago, the stats were something like 15 spot traders to 1 electronic trader. Whereas today, we're looking at things around different banks. Whereas today, we're looking at things around banks which are looking like, 6 spot traders that buy and sell currency, Forex, to 7 people who manage electronic trading. Now this says a lot, and where does it leave you and I, people who are aspiring to make ourselves or build ourselves as profitable traders? Well, jump on the uptrend, as they say, okay? Which means there is no harm in choosing to trade electronically. However, I would like to caution here that computers, as with computers, what you put in, you get out. Similarly with trading software, do not get carried away by banners that say, we can make you this much money, we can do this for you, earn money while you sleep. These are the things that you hear out there. But algorithms are structured for specific uses. You, as a trader, need to understand what this robot or electronic software was built for. Where can it maximize returns? And how can you program it towards your advantage? Which ties back into one main point. You, as a trader, need to know what you are doing. You need to know your basics. You need to be solid in terms of your research, in terms of your fundamental understanding of what's happening around the world. And then you can use software, electronic trading, robots profitably. I will be covering strategies or things that you can look at when you consider software to assist you in trading in my later module. I hope you found this helpful. Take care.